guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Junaid.
I'm Miley.
Ayan, so for today's vlog ay magkakaroon ulit tayo ng reaction para sa introduction video ng isa sa mga delegates for the upcoming Miss World Philippines 2024. At ang papanoorin natin ngayon ay si Sofia Maxine Granmo from Cebu! Without any further ado, let's watch this. Oh, sino ka?
Maayong adlaw. I am Sophie Maxine Margareta Granmo, 19, from the progressive and vibrant island of Cebu.
Oh, wag ka, progressive and vibrant island. Yun pala gusto ko munang i-mention kasi nung nanood tayo nung kanilang press presentation, inaalala ko kung sino yung kamukha niya. Naalala ko na si Carlene Aguilar. Para siyang Gen Z version ni Carlene Aguilar.
I grew up in a multicultural household. All my life, my parents always stressed the importance of charity and compassion. This led to our active role in community-based aid and response. I wear many hats: a BS tourism student, a model, and a beauty queen. What people find most surprising about me is my extensive background in jiu-jitsu with 11 years of training under my belt. I am a water baby, something I inherited from my father. I freedive to clear my mind. As an exceptionally empowered Filipina, I aspire to become a transformational voice that echoes above the noise.
I love that.
It only takes a drop to start a ripple of change.
Yes!
Hindi, nagustuhan ko doon is yung that echoes above the noise.
Wow!
Like,
ano ibig sabihin nun for you?
Basta. Secret ko na lang yun. Hindi, like, parang ano, it's like, ano, you walk the talk. Parang yung kay MMD, you walk the talk.
Siguro, ano, for me, it's, you have a resounding voice. Yung tipong it deafens yung, or it dampens yung ibang noise. Yung voice mo lang yung maririnig.
Ganun yung dating niya sa'yo. Sa akin, ang dating sa akin is para kasing ang ingay-ingay. Like, ang daming sinasabi na ganito, ganyan. Lalo na kapag malapit na yung eleksyon, pero walang nangyayari. So parang, you know, just focus on what you can do. Parang katulad niya sa kanila, na it's very personal kasi yung family niya, meron na silang ginagawang ganon, diba? Charity na ganon na, you know, to help the less fortunate, kumbaga. Simple lang, parang short, nakilala mo din siya at a short span of time, yung background niya, diba?
Multifaceted nga talaga yung mga quiz, ano? Ang dami-dami nilang ginagawa.
Yes, kaya nga parang, kumbaga, kung hindi nakakasagot yung mga queen sa final question, sa Q&A na maayos, siguro hindi natin sila kailangan i-judge doon lang sa moment na yun, kasi nerve-wracking yun eh. Like, diba? You know what I mean?
In that moment. Kasi in other ways, more ways than other na
they are
achievers sila.
Whatever happens, like wala man silang maiuwing corona, they're already a queen of their own kingdom. Like, because they are, you know, a beacon of hope, the light during the day.
Wow!
So ayan guys, and thank you so much at sinamahan mo kami sa nagdaang reaction video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next upload.
Ayan guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So keep watching us in the next video. Bye!